Why bother with investing? Well, investing is how you make your money work for you. Every investment carries risk, and understanding your own risk tolerance is key. Hey there, future achievers. If you're new here, welcome to the crew. I'm Sandesh, your go-to guide for all things productivity, mindfulness, and personal finance. My mission: to deliver a factual-based content that helps you level up in life. So if you're all about making the most of your day, hit that subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon. Your support keeps this channel going. Now that you're all set, let's dive into today's adventure, the world of investing. This is your ultimate guide to turning your hard-earned cash into a growing fortune. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's start this journey to financial freedom. Introduction to investing. Why bother with investing? Well, investing is how you make your money work for you. Instead of letting it sit idle in the saving account, investing helps it grow, often outpacing inflation. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from the magic of compounding, where your returns earn even more returns, like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. Setting your goals. Before diving into the stocks and bonds, think about your financial goals. Are you saving for a vacation, a new car, or maybe even a house? Perhaps you're thinking long term, like retirement or your future children's education. Having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. Understanding risk and time horizon. Every investment carries risk, and understanding your own risk tolerance is key. How comfortable are you with your investments fluctuating in a value? Also considering your time horizon. The longer you can invest, the more risk you can afford to take. If you are in your 20s, you have time to ride out markets ups and downs. Popular investment strategies. Buy and hold, the long game. This strategy is like planting a tree. You invest in promising stocks or assets and let them grow over time. By holding on to your investments through market highs and lows, you let compounding do its magic. It's all about patience, just like nurturing a tree that eventually bears fruit. Index funds, the easy breezy option. Index funds are like the buffet of investing, giving you diversification without the need to pick financial stocks. They track and market index, offering exposure to a variety of companies. It's perfect for those who want to invest without constantly managing individual stocks. Just set it and forget it. Dollar cost averaging, your investment rhythm. With the dollar cost averaging, you invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. This smooths out market ups and downs, buying more when prices are low and less when prices are high. It's like dancing to a steady beat, making your investment journey more predictable. Growth versus value investing. Pick your flavor. Growth investing focuses on high potential investments, companies on a fast track to expansion. It's like betting on a rising star. Value investing is about finding hidden gems, stock trading below their value true worth. Much like discovering a vintage car at a bargain price, expecting its value to increase over time. Asset allocation. The balancing act asset allocation is like creating a balanced meal for your portfolio. By mixing different types of investments, stocks, bonds, real estate, you manage risk and keep your development strategy stable. Diversification ensures no single asset overwhelms your portfolio. Getting started. Start small, seed the future. Starting your investment journey is like planting a garden. You don't need a fortune to get started. Small investment can sprout into something substantial over time, thanks to compounding. Every tiny amounts can grow into a thriving portfolio with patience and consistency. Embrace technology, your investment sidekick. Investing apps are your high-tech financial sidekick. Many let your investment with just spare change, turning everyday purchases into future wealth. With features like automatic investments and real-time tracking, these tools simplify investing, make it feel like a breeze. Educate yourself, becoming an investment guru. Investing is like embarking on an exciting adventure. Equip yourself with knowledge by exploring books, podcasts, and financial news. Think of it as leveling up in a game. Each piece of knowledge brings you closer to mastering the market. The more you learn, the more confident and empowered you feel to navigate your investment journey. Motivational segment, the power of investing. Investing is about more than just growing wealth. It's about taking control of your future. By investing, you're building a bridge to financial freedom and creating opportunities to pursue your dreams. Every successful investor started where you are now taking the first step. Your journey may start small, but with dedication, you can build a strong financial foundation. Start curious, embrace the process, and keep pushing forward. All right, financial rock stars, you got the basic and strategies. Now it's time to make your money work for you. Picture this. You're the captain of a financial ship, steering it toward a future full of possibilities. Investing is your secret weapon to turning dreams into reality. Start small, think big, and remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your financial empire. Stay curious, take those first steps, and your future self will thank you. Before you head out, drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Join a growing community of motivated go-getters and let's crush those goals together. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling, stay mindful, and remember, you got this.